Artoonza.
All right, rainbow chasers and whipped cream dreamers. Before we dive in, smash that like button like it owes you a milkshake. Okay, it's time. Today, we are drawing the most epic, most magical, most jaw-droppingly delicious rainbow milkshake with whipped cream you have ever seen in your entire life. Yes, your entire life. We are talking rainbow colors so bright, they might just blind your goldfish a little. Don't worry, he'll be fine. We started with a bold black marker outline so clean and sharp, it made our pencil case jealous. And now, things are about to get gloriously, fabulously, and ridiculously colorful.
Aww, so cute.
We are loading up glitter, squeezing paint drops like a tiny mad scientist. And yes, there is a sneaky little vacuum involved because glitter has zero respect for personal space. Stick around, because the coloring section coming up next is so satisfying and so sparkly, your eyes are going to throw a little party. Let's paint this milkshake to life. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. First, red. Bold, brave, and absolutely unapologetic. Like that one friend who shows up to every party and immediately owns the room. Let's go! Now, purple is strutting in, and honestly, purple does not come to play. It's the color of royalty, mystery, and that one grape candy you always fight your sibling for. Crown on, brush ready. Give us a big thumbs up. Oh, here comes light blue, floating in like a cool breeze on a summer day when you have absolutely zero homework and the whole afternoon to yourself.
So cute.
It's calm, it's dreamy, and it makes everything look like a sky hug. Light green just walked in, smelling like fresh grass and good vibes. It's giving outdoor picnic with unlimited snacks energy, and we are here for it. Yellow, the sunshine of the whole operation. The color that basically screams, "Good morning, world, you're welcome." It's warm, it's happy, it's slightly extra, and honestly, that's exactly why we love it so much. Orange is here now, and it brought all the energy. Think sunsets, think juice, think pure delicious chaos. Brush it on! Smash that like button now. And now, the icon, the legend, the one and only pink. Sweet, fierce, and completely fabulous. Pink doesn't just color things, it transforms them into something magical.
Aww, so cute.
And finally, the grand finale, the crown jewel of this whole masterpiece, the whipped cream. We're hitting it with highlighters in orange, blue, green, and yellow because this whipped cream didn't come here to be boring. It came here to glow, sparkle, and absolutely steal the show.
Wow!
This is so amazing. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.